Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is basically a day in my life. It's pretty chill, but at the same time it's productive since I do have a lot of things to do, just not too much, like I can chill and stuff. And here's another coffee clip for coffee lovers. So as you saw in the first few clips, I attended my morning lecture and then afterwards I watched a little bit of Turkish drama and I sat down and chilled mostly, and then here I am taking my notes for my afternoon class. It's a live class, so I was attending the lecture and taking my notes at the same time. Here I was taking my notes in the same way that I showed in my how I take my notes video. It's my previous video, so check it out if you want. I gave some tips about how not to miss a word of the professors during a lecture, because it's pretty hard to keep up with everything that the professor is saying during a lecture, especially online ones. And here I was eating soup. It was basically lentils and grains and stuff. It was pretty nutritious, but it was like nice as well. I enjoyed eating it. After that I had lunch and then sat a little bit with my family. I'm gonna see what I did. Excuse the sudden like change of lightning. It's not me, I swear, it's the sun. I just tried to fix it, it's not happening. The sun keeps going and coming, so excuse this for a few seconds, please. So after I finished my lectures, I had my dinner and then I sat a little bit on the balcony. I didn't touch my devices, my laptop, etc. I was tired of looking at them, and then afterwards I went back to studying again. So I took like an hour and a half or 2 hours break. It wasn't exactly a break. This is a snooze, it's not a break. And then I sat down. I tried to solve a little bit of my new assignment that we solved we solved the similar questions with the professor this day. So I was trying to imply what the professor implied on the questions that he solved. I did solve a little of them, like a few only, but as of for the others, I still have a little bit of problems with them. So I'm gonna try and revise the subject of it, and then I'm gonna go back and try to solve the question again. And yeah. Say so, why you always
won't you say it? Won't you say it? Lay it all out for me. Let me down easily. I will be waiting. I will be waiting. Baby, don't ever need to wait forever, forever for you. 'Cause I don't need to suffer like you do, like you do, like you want me to. Tell me how you expect me to be here when all you do is hide out of fear. But something inside of you is telling you how to move. Won't you say it? Won't you say it? Lay it all out for me. Let me down easily. I will be waiting. I will be waiting. Baby, don't ever need to wait forever, forever for you. 'Cause I don't need to suffer like you do, like you do, like you want me to.
Bakalım neler olmuş yasak.
So after studying for a little bit, I just took another break. I take a lot of breaks in this particular day. I watched a little bit of drama, and here I'm filling my bullet journal because I need a little bit of filling and like tracking what I did through the day. Afterwards, I'm gonna study a little bit, and I was eating up some food that I cut earlier. I cut up an orange, I guess. Yeah, it's an orange. And I was watching the Turkish drama as well while I'm actually taking my notes. I do have this habit of listening to things instead of watching, so I don't exactly watch. I just put it in split screen just in case I need to look at anything that happened or anything. I just usually listen as if I'm listening to a podcast or a song, and I'm totally concentrated in my notes, but as well I'm also watching what's happening. So, by the way, it's a very nice show. I rarely watch a show this long. I rarely watch anything actually. I usually just watch the first 2 episodes or the 3 episodes, and then I'll be like, no, this is very long for me and it has lots of crap in it, so no, I don't want it. It doesn't exactly have, like, usually it doesn't exactly have the nicest story, but this one's really nice. It's not romance or action or anything, it's basically revenge. This is the only thing I can say about it. I'm gonna leave the link to the first episode down in the description box below if you want to watch it. It's in Turkish. I don't watch it translated, but I guess you can find it online translated. Another thing is that I don't only watch the show, it gives me lots of benefits since I'm practicing my Turkish watching to it, and I usually turn on my captions in Turkish just in case I like I don't understand a particular Turkish word, I will look at it or look it up, or I'll just look a pronunciation of like a single word or something. Like, it's pretty beneficial. It is a very nice way of improving your language. Like reading books or watching a show is very beneficial for your language. After that, I just basically got myself ready for sleep and finished up. So I guess we reached the end of this video. Thanks a lot for watching. It's not a lot, just a chill day in my life, just because my life has been hectic these days. So I promise a nicer video next week, a more beneficial one. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!